What are you saying, Danny boy?
Good, man. Looking forward to Manu. Haven't spent much time here, so see what the people are saying. It's not the best day, but they're used to it up there, so hopefully it'll be alright. Yeah, man. I'm gassed. Should be good. Got a really nice space. It's been great so far. Anyone in Manu, get down there.
How's yours?
Decent. I don't think it doesn't matter. Yeah. A bit long. We literally, our map froze, so we were just driving straight for ages. We were like, what the fuck's going on? We turned to right, it reloaded, and we had to like do a 10-minute detour. Oh, stink.
You can find the trouser hangers around. They're in a tartan bag. It's a loose tartan bag. And I'm trying to get this shop set up in what, like 45 minutes? Opening time, should be right. You know what we're doing now?
Yeah, this shit's just me on my soul. Yeah, this bitch keep hitting my soul. Yeah, tick tick keep feeling it so. Yeah, just a little man shit I want to.
What's your name?
Say, Angus.
Are you here for the pop-up? Can I film you?
Yeah.
You're good. You guys from Manchester?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Been following the tour along on the Instagram. Yeah. Sick. Gonna get anything today?
Probably.
Yeah. What you got your eyes on? Gonna have a little browse.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. Hey, no pressure, bro.
Hi, Uber Program, how can I help?
Hi, you're right. I'm just calling because I've got a security booking today in Manchester, but I only ordered 2 security guards and 4 have shown up.
Oh, who is it, sorry?
It's Rory from Crone.
Okay, one moment.
Thank you.
Because they're the ones who assign them.
Alright, yeah, cool.
One moment.
Alright, thank you.
You got 4 security outside.
4? You just sort it out around here. I'll let these lads in and then we can sort it out. Yeah, just let them in. Come in. 4 security guards shot, I only needed 2.
Yeah, I've only got 2 officers scheduled in.
I got 4 here, and I don't need 4. It looks a bit weird having 4 here. If you could get 2 of them to go home, that'd be great.
What'd you get, bro?
Marine stock.
Saying Davio.
Day 5?
Well, I'm losing count at this point, I'm so real.
Doesn't matter to me, bro. It could be day 10. I'm still here, active, making sales, converting.
Converting, cha-ching.
We haven't got any more with us, bro.
Dan's selling out of sizes, it's all going off.
We got some at the office.
It's all part and parcel.
Luncheon.
Recommendation from this kid who came in, such a nice kid. Came in, bought a trackie, bought a plushie. Me and Dan signed the plushie. And then we just asked him where's a good spot to go for food. And he said, there's a sandwich place called Bada Bing, but I don't know if it's close to it. Put it in on our maps. It's literally 2 minutes down the road. Yo,
Shout out Tony Soprano.
Yeah, trust. Yeah, come in. Sorry, bro. We're just eating our lunch.
What we got going on here?
Little spicy John. He's good, man. Did a little half and half with Rory, so we'll see. He's here, plushies, if you want to have a little play. Jackets, keep you nice and warm.
Can't give him toys, man. He'll give me use for the rest of the day.
A bit of distraction on your break.
Imagine you funk the kids, wouldn't you?
I was about to say something for the kids.
Yeah, man, got puffers here. Keep you nice and toasty.
No, I mean, all you need to do.
Here, full tracksuit.
Just need to get you some stripes on this one. You know what I mean? And you got a new jacket.
Somewhere to clip your little camera on as well.
Yeah. Good to go.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
What's it pop-up, or are you staying there for a while? Or?
It's a pop-up, yeah. We're here for literally one day. We're basically doing a tour of the UK right now.
So we're doing 7 pop-ups in a week in 7 different cities.
What are you advertising them though? Are they on Facebook?
Yeah, so we do it all on our Instagram.
Are they on Instagram? Yeah, that's that.
Swift Production.
Marketing, bro.
What's going on right now?
Just trying to get some punnies in, bro. Punnies into the shop. Trying to coerce them into buying stuff.
Manny review.
Manchester, 10 out of 10. Days flown by, everyone's so polite, everyone's so friendly. Loads of nice conversations with people. Yeah, can't wait to have a couple drinks tonight with the boys, go get some food. And yeah, on to fucking knots tomorrow, man. Big style.
We saying day 4 done.
Day 5, bro. Keep up.
Day 5.
Yeah, man.
How many zoots you smoke? Just got to the Airbnb in Manny. Got the fucking view over the city we just took over. Having a couple beers, talking about a plan for what's going to be going on in Nottingham and then getting back to London. We've had like a whole load more stock delivered just for the London pop-up, so we're trying to work out how to get back to London, count it all, get everything ready for Sunday. So yeah, it's all a bit of a fucking brain fuck, but hopefully it should be good. We're going to just chill tonight, have some beers, have some food. Got some of our friends coming over who live in Manny, and yeah, paint the town red, paint the town blue.
Chelsea fan.
It's our number 1 OnlyFans subscriber.
You are fucking nothing. Talking about how you're gonna be about Manchester, you're living it live. Come on, you boys. You are fucking nothing. Talking about how you're gonna be about Manchester, you're living it live. Come on, you boys.
I might be Lil T, still the boss. Left the crib with a win, I never leave with a loss. Don't be scared cause I'm young, black time with some loss. I'ma still take your home without giving 2 fucks. Yeah, I'm young, rich, and I'm tech, so I don't give a toss. You ever been inside a double O with rooftop off? You ever been inside a room with 3 girls?